Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Delta Force gamepad or controller not working. So if you are also looking for fixes, then go through this video guide. So first of all, you need to restart your PC first. So go to the Windows icon over here, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your system restarts, now try to check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, the next solution is to update controller driver. So for that, first you need to connect your PC and controller, and after that go to the device manager by go to the search option here, search for device manager, and then go below and expand human interface device. After that, select your controller and then click on update driver option, and after that click on search automatically for driver. So after this check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, the next solution is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and after that go to the controller option over here, and here you need to click on enable Steam input. After doing this, now try to check if the error is resolved or not. If it's occurring again, then simply you need to select disable Steam input, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next solution is to verify your game file. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and after that click on verify integrity of game files. So once your game files are verified, now check if the problem you are facing is resolved or not. Next solution is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it is working, because developers often release the updates on the game that you should download and install it. So if there is any update available, you can simply check it here, it will be available. So simply update your game, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to launch Steam in big picture mode. So for that, open Steam. Here you can see big picture mode, click on it. After this, select your game. After selecting, now try to play it. If it is playing, then well and good. You simply need to click over Steam option and then click on power and then click on exit big picture mode. So after this, check if the issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for check for updates, and here you can see if there is any update available. So you need to click on check for updates. If there is an update, simply update your Windows to the latest version, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have provided the link in the description. Just go through this, download and install the DS4 Windows on your PC, and after that connect your controller and update it. Once done, now launch the game and check for the error is resolved or not. After that, you need to download the DS4 tool from here on your PC, and then try to launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working.